Today we are going to look on how to add thumbnail on our post on Facebook, especially on our videos. So listen and watch this video to the end. Let's go to your page. When you go to your page, click on top of here, plus you click on upload. When you click on upload, you choose the video you want to use. You want to post. When you choose the video, you add the description. Description means what that video is talking about. With that description, your video can be able to be recommended because you have already narrated what the video is being talked about. So write everything that your video is being talked about. This is about fashion. You tell them this video is fashion, or if you write everything you on that video on the you explain it there for them, describe what the video is all about. After describing it, on the top you can see title. You write the title of the video and just continue to still remember to do what to like, comment, share my video. This is how you can support me. So as we continue, after adding the title, you click here. When you click here, you choose the thumbnail you want to add. You can see it. This is the thumbnail. So this is easy and simple. Then you click publish. That's all. So thank you for watching. Remember to like.